fresh air, and exercise. Make sure you enjoy your surroundings. We love insects. Well, not ticks. We know insects are important and help our environment. They provide nutrients to our soil. They help pollinate our flowers and are food source for other animals. Dad's right there. You're right, he is right there. This is a mealworm. It turns into a beetle. This is a kid mealworm. So he will turn into he'll turn into a beetle once he's after a chrysalis again. Yeah. Make sense? Hey? It's fun seeing animals in their natural habitat. We just saw a squirrel and a chipmunk. Chipmunks are little smaller than squirrels, but just as cute. It's fun to watch chipmunks get food and stuff their chubby cheeks. We just saw a robin. Dad was a little slow too. When you see those birds, you know it's springtime. It's important to respect and view animals from a distance. I love geese because they can fly and swim and walk. They can do it all. And not to disturb their natural environment. We can learn about the relationship between animals and their habitats when we get out into nature. Never disturb a bird's nest. There could be babies in there. That bird put a lot of time and effort to make that nest. Taking care of our environment is important, and that's why we never litter. And whenever we see litter, we pick it up. And put it in the garbage, or if we can, recycle it. Let's recycle. Let's keep nature clean and keep our animals in their homes healthy. We are the VetBros, and we love getting into nature.